Guys, this is what happens when Eric tries to drive the RC car. He's still learning. For it, towards us. Oh, he needs some milk. He needs some milk. Guys, I did have a different channel, but then I deleted it. And now I have this channel, the RC car thing. And it's really cool to like do engineering and stuff like that. So let's keep going. It's gonna die soon. Oh my god, dude. Oh god. Oh yeah, it's raining. Apparently it's raining. What? Yeah, what? How's it raining over there? What the heck? This is weird. Wait, Eric, can I drive it now? Can I drive it now, Eric? Okay. Guys, this is gonna be the end of the video of Eric trying to drive the car. He's scaring birds. Okay, well, we'll see you in the next one. We're gonna do some engineering on it, fixing it up. See ya.